everyone. Today I'll be making Cheddar Bay Biscuit Pizza. What all goes into the Cheddar Bay Biscuit Pizza? 11.3 ounce Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Mix, 3/4 cup water, 1/2 cup sharp cheddar cheese, 2 to 3 tablespoons oil for spreading dough and greasing the pan, 4 tablespoons butter melted, 14-ounce jar of pizza sauce, 3 to 4 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, and pizza toppings of your choice. My choice is going to be making like a combination pizza. I'll be having cooked ground beef, pepperoni, mushrooms, jalapeños, and some sweet peppers. But you can use whatever you want for your pizza toppings. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 425. According to the recipe, it says take a 10 by 15 baking sheet and grease it. I decided I didn't want to use a cookie sheet, so I'm going to be using a pizza pan. I'm going to just take some of my olive oil and spread that all over the pan and set it aside. So take your Cheddar Bay biscuit mix and mix it up as per package directions. Dump in the biscuit mix, the 1/2 cup of the shredded sharp cheddar cheese, and 3/4 cup of cold water. Stir that until it forms a dough, but do not overmix. So take your biscuit mix, put it on the greased pan. Now I do want to make a comment that some people that have tried this complained because it was flaky and break apart like a biscuit. Well, you do have to remember this is a biscuit mix. It's not a pizza mix, so it's not going to be like a pizza crust. Now put oil on your hands so you can spread the biscuit mix out. Now on a 10 by 15 inch pan, this will not cover the whole pan. You just make it into a rectangle. This one will actually go to the edges, not thick in the middle and thin on the outsides. So let me finish that up and I'll be right back. So take your melted butter and add the garlic herb seasoning and mix that thoroughly. Then take the garlic herb butter sauce and put it all over the crust. You can even get it out to the edges, so every bit will have that nice garlicky taste. Pre-bake your Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit crust in a preheated 425-degree oven for 8 to 10 minutes. You want to make sure that your crust is crispy. So after 10 minutes, I took it out. It is nice and crisp on the edge. So then you'll just make your pizza like you normally would. I'm going to put my sauce on. As little or as much as you would like. And then I'm going to put some mozzarella cheese on. I'm going to be making a combination pizza or deluxe, whatever you want to call it. Okay, next, put on some pepperoni. I was thinking Dave's favorite pizza, of course, is ham and pineapple, but I was thinking with the type of crust that it was, that it probably wouldn't be a good combination. And then I'm going to put my cooked ground beef. And Buddy's been waiting for this because I told him that if I didn't use all of the pound of ground beef that I cooked, that he would get some. I'd say he's a little spoiled. All right, so next I'm going to put some mushrooms on there. And this was just some leftover mushrooms that I had from the other day. Otherwise, I probably would have used fresh mushrooms. Now my crust might get a little bit soggy from the grease of the pepperoni and the liquid from the mushrooms. I hope it don't get too bad. Then next I'm going to put, I've got some sweet peppers here from the other day. I have it all colors except for green. And then I'm going to put some of my pickled jalapeños on there. And lastly, I like extra cheese. I like the cheese on the top. That's a personal preference. You can do however you want to. And this is the final ingredient. And we'll put it back in the oven and bake it for another 8 to 10 minutes. I baked this for almost 10 minutes. As you can see, the crust is nice and brown. We need to let it rest for 5 minutes and then I'll dish up and then Dave can do a taste test. So here is the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit Pizza. And rounding out the meal is the side salad. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Well, I know I'm not supposed to use a fork for this, but I don't want everybody watching me smear stuff all over my face. This crust looks different.
Yes, it's made out of the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit mix.
No. Those the jalapeños that you made?
They are.
Good. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.